I'll guide you through how to download offline maps on Google Maps. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. You may want to go and download maps so you can go and look at them and use them when you don't have any signal or if you don't have any internet connection. So to do this, what you first need to do is go to the top right of Google Maps and go and tap on your profile icon like this. And what you can then do is go and see the option for offline maps in this list of options, so click there. Then what you'll need to do is tap on select your own maps, and then what you can do is go and choose the area you want to go and download. So for example, I could go and download this area of the United Kingdom. Now one thing to consider when downloading maps is they are going to go and take up space on your phone, and the bigger the area you download, the more space it takes up. As you can see, this area is going to take up 500 megabytes, but if I go and zoom in on this area here, it's only going to go and take up 30. So I'm going to go and tap on download in the bottom right like this, and I'll press on no thanks for now. And then as you can see, it's now downloading. While you wait for it to download, you can go and name the map if you'd like. Mine's just called map 1, so I'll keep it like that. But to change the name, you just tap on the pen icon in the top right. Once it's finished, it will say download is complete at the bottom, and that's it. Then you can go and click on the 3 dots to the right of the map to get a few options. You can go and update the map just to update new road layouts. You can rename it and delete it. And when you go and click on it as well, you can then go and look at the area. And so now when you're offline, you can still go and use that map which you've gone and downloaded. So if you found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.